In this week's adventure, I have Canyon Falls, the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone from the South Rim. Last week, in episode 112, I filmed it from the North Rim. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the link above and below to make it easy to find. Hi, I'm Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. Come along on this week's adventure with Canyon Falls, and also I have video of elk I filmed here in Yellowstone National Park, including several big bull elk and even babies nursing. Most of today's video is from my point of view where I'm wearing the camera, which gives you a very interesting perspective. I think you're gonna like it. In this week's episode, I pick up where I left off in last week's episode 112. In this episode, I will film Canyon Falls, the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone from the South Rim, and show you Artist Point and Uncle Tom's Point. Also, after the credits, I have bonus video of elk, so be sure to stick around for that. I have several bull elks, and I even have babies that's nursing. I filmed most of this from my point of view by wearing the camera. I'm hoping this makes you feel like you're actually here. South Rim, or actually more accurately Artistic Point. Really the only thing I did on the South Rim. This might be my best bet here. place is closed. Sure, a lot of cars here. That may be Uncle Tom right there. Be sure to stick around after the credits for bonus video. Today I'm showing you all of the elk videos or clips that I recorded while I was here in Yellowstone, and also next to my RV park right outside my RV. I filmed several herds and several big bull elk. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do adventure videos once a week and shorts on weekends. This is just over the fence next to the RV park I'm staying at in Gardner, Montana, Rocky Mountain RV Park.
Oh, you got all the big ones, little ones. They're awesome, huh?
Yep.
Something good to eat right there.
What's that?
So they got something good
I don't
to eat
think
right
they, well, yeah, eat the shrubs like deer do.
there. Yeah.
When you live out where deer is, you can't keep
Oh, no,
shrubbery.
we live in Red Lodge, Montana, and I just given up on having plants.
Mm-hmm. Oh, then you know definitely.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, they are, aren't they? The rest of the elk video clips are from inside Yellowstone National Park. I hope you enjoy. Again, thank you for watching this week's episode, and join me next week for more from Yellowstone National Park. Until then, have a good one.